Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable dark mode theme in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft Excel on your PC. From the top menu, click on File option at the left corner. Now click on Account option located at the bottom. On the right panel, you will find Office Theme drop-down. Just click on it. Here you will find options like colorful, dark gray, black, white and use system settings. Just select black or dark gray option. Once you change the office theme, color of the top ribbon quick access toolbar will change as per the selected theme. Changing the theme will not change the color of the spreadsheet and there is no option to do so in the Excel application. So that was all about how to enable dark mode theme in Microsoft Excel. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.